Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, y'all? It's an early morning Amazon run. We out here early. It is, what time is it? It is 1:28 right now. We out here at AGS 5. About to take this over to DCS 2. West Columbia. Headed to DCS 2. Yeah, so we about to get this quick little bag, get on up out of here. Shout out to the subscriber I just seen a minute ago too. As far as 2 subscribers, shout out to both of y'all. We about to get it, y'all. Y'all know what it is. Let's go. So I heard something like it was going back on my truck after they unloaded the truck. I'm like, why does it sound like they putting stuff back on my truck? He come hand me my keys. I'm like, bro, did y'all put something back on my truck? He's like, yeah, we put the empty pallets on your truck. I said, where they going? Y'all gotta take them off my truck. What I'm doing with empty pallets? I don't run an empty pallet business, brother. I'm dropping off. I'm not putting anything back on the truck. Where I'm taking those to? Home with me? No, sir. Take them off. Just put my pallet jack back on the truck. Let's go. Y'all got to stay on top of this stuff. You get to where you'll get home and you lift up your door and you be like, what is this doing on my truck? Yeah, like, you got to stay on top of this stuff, man, when they unloading and loading your truck, bro. Keep your eyes on it. This is another reason why I need that camera in the back of my box so I can see what's going on. I'm getting the camera, y'all. I ain't even talking about it no more. We're getting the camera here. We're getting one installed. AYAP. We just wrapping up at CLT 9. Headed to Columbia. Second load for the night. We're going to wrap it on up after this one. It's bedtime. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Bigg Vic TV. Night. Look at my man Mel. Y'all remember Mel? Mel out here getting that bag. He on his way to Columbia too. For our metal partners. Let's see what his backup skills look like. It's been a minute since he's been out here. Let's see. Let's see if he got it. I don't know. He might be alright. Let's see what he got. Oh no, like he might have to try that again, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what he got. Oh, he got it. He's doing good. He got it. He's doing good. Let's see what he got. Let's see what he got, y'all. Woo! Boy, he got him one in training tonight. Well, you got a trainee? You got a trainee? What's good?
You know, another late one.
You got your trainee?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm for.
All right.
Yes, Yeah, man.
You ready for it? How you doing? All right.
You done got loaded?
Oh, I'm done. What is up, guys? We are back in the box. About to head out to Raleigh. Caught one of those last minutes from Columbia to Raleigh. I gotta go get this bag. So, yeah, you already know what it is. Let's get it popping.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck.
Right now I'm sliding through Fayetteville, North Carolina. We ain't too far from Raleigh. We're a little minute away from Raleigh. I'm gonna get this, I think I only got like 3 crates on here. I know when I get this RDU 9, I'll let y'all see what I got on the truck. It's real light though. Very, very light. Pretty easy run, ain't too hard. This diesel is pumping super slow right here. Super slow. Hate when I get to a diesel pump and it does this. I'm trying to be in and out.
Can make you grow. Can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now
So y'all, we was able to catch a load back. So after I left Raleigh and Durham, I came back through Charlotte, hit the gas station, and I was able to watch the load board, and I was able to catch one of my favorite loads, Charlotte to Columbia, Assembly Street. That's one of my favorites because the dock is open. You can drop them pallets off and keep it moving right after that. So I call this a round robin. Y'all already know what it is. I caught the round robin. We back, y'all. We back. Easy. Too easy, baby. We only got 7 pallets, so another truck was out here too. So he's splitting the load with me. Now we rocking and rolling. Let's get it. Let's go. So right now we at the pilot. I'm taking like a nice little 30-minute. Had to take my 30-minute break because I've been rolling pretty much majority of the morning, like night/morning. I was coming up on my 30-minute break, so I had to go ahead and take that 30-minute break before I hit a violation. So you know, you got the minute you jump in your truck and you're on duty, that your first 8-hour clock for your break is rolling. So I had to take that 30-minute break before I end up in an hour of service violation. So that's very, That's very important. That's something that you want to take into consideration. So I would have been straight just doing one Amazon load, but I was able to catch another Amazon load and bring that back to Columbia from Charlotte, which after I loaded the truck so quick, like it only took me like 20 minutes. I think I did my 30-minute break. I started my 30-minute break, but I got out of there so quickly, I forgot to sit in the truck for maybe like 10 more minutes. And I that basically cuts off my 30-minute break because I didn't do a full 30 minutes. It was maybe like 25 minutes. I wasn't thinking, I was on the phone. And I dipped out. So as I was riding, I looked back at my hours of service, and it's like, violation approaching. I had like I actually had an hour and 45 minutes when I pulled off, but it takes me an hour and 30, almost an hour 30 to get to where I'm going in Columbia from Charlotte. So yeah, I'm taking that 30 minute, knocking that out. Drop these 7 pallets off at the post office up here in Columbia on Assembly Street. I'm going to the crib. I'm gonna lay it down. I already caught something on the load board for tonight, like 10:15 from Charlotte. 10:15 p.m. from Columbia back up to Charlotte again, KCLT to the airport. Both of those loads, I don't have to touch anything. I'll be picking that. They'll be loading me, and they'll be unloading me when I get up to Charlotte. So tomorrow I'll be looking at the load board to see if I can catch the round robin again. So I'll be looking for that load from Charlotte back to Columbia tomorrow night or tomorrow morning as well. So yeah, gotta keep your eyes on the prize. The name of the game is patience. Patience, especially when you're watching that load board. That's the key. You have to have patience. So when you keep your eyes on that load board, 9 times out of 10, you'll catch what you're looking for. If you're in areas where the freight moves like that, that's the key. You have to be in the areas where freight is moving like that. So I kind of noticed, I know this market. I know that Columbia, Charlotte market very well. And that AGS, the Appleton, Georgia market. I know that market very well. So I kind of know which loads typically pop up around certain times. And yeah, I was able to catch it. I was able to catch the round robin. So yeah, it was a good day today. Good day today, y'all. Just how you do it. But like I tell you all the time, you got to be hungry out here, man. You got to be hungry, and you got to be patient. And you have to keep your eyes on the prize. That's it. Let's see y'all when we get to this post office. Let's get it. That's gonna wrap up today's video, y'all. The bag is secured. We only got 7 pallets, real light. Pull them to the dock, they pull them inside. That's it. Let's get it. Bigg Vic TV. You already know what it is. Always hustle, never stop growing. Let's get to the bag. Let's go. The bully in the building.